Hey mate.
How we doing?
How's it going?
Yeah, good man. Good to see you.
Good to see you too. Looking forward to it.
I'm looking day at Eurospares.
Yeah. Hello. How are you? Nice to meet you. How are you doing? How are you? Nice to meet you. How are you?
How are you doing? You all right?
Ollie, nice to meet you. How are you?
Yeah, good, thanks.
Nice, I'm looking forward to it. I'm going for a tour. I'm going to have a day in the life, I think, so it's going to be really fun.
Ollie Bearman's the hot new name in motor racing. Eurospares was proud to sponsor him last year in Formula 2, and after a standout season, he's now been snapped up and offered a full-time drive in the top flight of world motor racing. We invited Ollie down to our Essex headquarters to meet the team, have a look around and talk all things fast cars. First order of the day was a tour of the warehouse with Eurospares owner, James.
We sell more windscreens, you do bumpers, so...
Really?
Yeah.
Lots
good,
of chips.
They're good news for us. So yeah, there's always a good stock of windscreens.
Yeah, it's important.
And then we go through this...
See a Ferrari Challenge one there?
Yes.
They're not actually glass, are they? Yeah,
no, that's actually off my old 458, that one. I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Well, at least it wasn't smashed, that means it finished well.
Yeah, no. No, I lent it. I lent it to him.
Yeah.
And he smashed it first race.
Good effort.
Yeah. All the bonnets, so you've got Testarossas, F12.
Roma, good.
Oh, there you go.
I don't need a bonnet yet, but just in case.
I'll put your name on it. Yeah, just in case.
I'll take that.
Yeah. No, we should have pretty much all the body for him.
That's so cool. You can make a car, I think.
This is an interesting bit. You know the F50 has the roof, that's the box that keeps the roof.
Ah, okay, when you take it off.
Yeah.
No way.
Flight box. Yeah. I think this is 10 grand, something stupid. Wow.
So that comes with, that's brand new as well?
Yeah.
That comes with the car when you bought it?
Comes with the car, so when you take the roof off, you can put it in the box.
Look at that. Brand new.
Brand new rear F40, what's a set there?
Huge.
I think we've got 3 sets of those. F50 wheels, Enzo wheels, another set of F40s.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
They look so cool. But they're not cheap.
No, I think they're, I want to say 20 grand a set. These are pretty cool. P4, you know the old 60s Le Mans car?
Is it a Ferrari?
Ferrari P4, yeah.
I think I've seen it.
Yeah, so it's actually that way round.
No way, it's so deep.
It's ridiculous offset. I think they're like 15-inch wide.
Jesus Christ.
Original set, so a very rare set of wheels.
Yeah. Do you think you'd ever sell them?
No. But I thought the cool thing to have.
Yeah.
Was that a new one? Oh yeah.
Oh, it's an old new helmet.
But I'm talking well old.
That's awesome.
It's cool, isn't it? We've got a few of them.
2005.
Oh really?
It's as old as me.
Flipping hell. I wish I was born in 2005.
Cool though, isn't it?
Nice to have, isn't it?
Some serial number hack that you know.
Yeah.
It's the FIA stamp to have it homologated.
I didn't know
Tells
that.
you the year.
I learned something today.
I definitely learned a lot more.
With the tour over and lunch done and dusted, it was up to James's office, where the race sim quickly caught Ollie's eye.
I actually Googled last year's practice times on Silverstone.
Ooh, pressure's on for me as well.
So I think I need 10 seconds on
This is awesome.
this.
Hot lap.
Just
like
don't
this.
look at previous laps, right?
I won't look. Oh, this is so cool. The seating position is correct.
So you're flat through all that all the time, yeah?
Yeah. Oh. Cut that bit out.
Track limits, yeah?
Lap time cancel.
Bloody hell. I hate that corner.
Yeah.
It's really tricky, isn't it? Well, it's for me anyway.
Now it's a bit better because they removed the sausage curb.
Oh, okay.
So that sausage isn't there anymore. That curb was just so annoying because you want to get close to it, but the second you
clip it.
Oh, it kills you. Ah. So all these sequence corners that are difficult.
Yeah. You're on 29.
29.6. I messed up like 2/10 in the last corner.
That's brilliant.
See, I told you that sausage curb. Every time you're on a good lap, you just tap the sausage curb. Look, I lost 3/10 in the last sector.
I wouldn't be bothered about that at all.
Go on, James. Let's see what you got. You never need more than 90-degree steering lock. Because anymore, like when you do that, you're not getting any more front grip, you know?
Is that right?
Yeah, you're just sliding the front tyres.
Do you know what? I hate this corner. As you can see.
Oh! Caught it though.
Just.
See, that was good. Try and increase the steering slowly rather than just
I've got you.
chucking it all on, you know? What was your best lap time before?
37.
37 what?
Something.
You're in.
33 is... Oh.
Oh, go wrong.
Oh, man. That curve.
I had the same thing. That solid curve.
Go on next to them because that would be actually hilarious. What's going on there?
Yeah, you... That's it. You lost a bit of time there.
Yeah.
When we finally managed to drag the guys off the sim, Ollie had a few surprise gifts for James.
It's the second year of our partnership, and this is a suit from the first year. I think this year's one has a bit less red on it, but it'll still look good on your wall at the end of the year.
Amazing.
For now, I have a visor. Here's one I made earlier, free-sign.
Superb.
So, and then I have a bunch of other stuff.
It's got the rib tear-offs as well.
Yeah, that's pretty much new, but you can see it's done a wet race because of how much dirt there is underneath the taro. Problem with these things, they're very difficult to sign. I'd sign one of them.
There you go.
And look, when you're on your next track day.
Yeah, I'll be wearing on the sim.
Yeah, true. That's a second at least. There we go.
Well done, man. That looks really good. That is superb.
I don't know if you have space to put it anywhere, but
It's gonna have to make room.
No, don't worry. I'll extend the office.
good excuse.
There you go.
Mate, that's superb.
There you go. You've got your whole kit there.
Cheers, Ollie.
Helmet. Thank you very much.
Really appreciate
Thank
that. Mate, the shoes as well.
You. I don't know if they're your size, but look, they've got the logo on the back too.
The sim and yeah, the suits on and everything.
Look like Ollie Bearman mascot, right?
Before it was time to go, there was just one thing in the warehouse that caught Ollie's eye.
Late Christmas.
The best Christmas present.
That's it.
So my wheels are slightly curbed on my car. So who better to ask than James for a new set? Have you got any?
I've got a set, brand new set for the Roma.
I don't know how long they'll be brand new for.
No. Well, I think we've got two sets, so.
But
Just in case.
yeah, a backup. But yeah, I make sure I'll get some photos before I drive the car because I can't guarantee they'll stay new.
So we've got
These two,
and these two, I believe, no?
look at that. So this is exactly the same set I have, but these look in a slightly better condition, I must say. Beautiful. Should we get them sent?
Yeah, let's get them packed.
Nice. Maybe hide the address.
Yeah, we will do that. Yeah.
Everyone starts turning up at my house. How many rims do you pack? Is it often that you do them?
Yeah, fairly often. I mean,
Yeah, I have a similar set, but missing a bit of metal.
upgrading them.
Yeah.
With the wheels packed up, there was just some time to sign a few bits, and Ollie was on his way. We did manage to grab Ollie for an interview, which is available to watch in full on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.